Hello viewers, hope all of you will be fine. Today we will discuss about the twin battery replacement error in Panasonic DP 8060 U90 error. You people might have seen here in this one case. So what is the solution of this one problem? Mostly YouTubers has suggested that you have to replace the battery. The replacement of battery is not solution in this one case. The actual problem is we have inserted that battery casing in a wrong way. How we can make the correct insertion of battery casing inside the machine? Let's see. Here you have seen the problem is this: replace battery U90. Okay, open this one and go there and take out that one casing. Okay, you might have seen here this one. Okay, so although this is the positive sign and that at the back side of this is negative sign, it means this is the positive terminal of the battery and this one is negative terminal of battery. How we can put this one casing inside of the machine? We have to turn this one, okay, and again insert it in the casing. Let's see. Okay, I have inserted. Now I will check out whether the problem has been removed or not. You have seen here the problem has been removed. So the replacement of battery is not a solution. You might have to change that because they have discussed that we have to adjust the date and time also. So most often whenever you have to make the make the correction in the date and time and day, but this was not the solution. So the simple solution is this: we just have to change the size of this one case. Okay, thank you so much. Another time I have requested from you, if you would like the videos, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Allah.